Hello, a cartin agus fáilte ar go Cluicheamaid. Ceap má leisca. Farvisinne dú dal a chumal áin le becan a bhenach Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Ha sin anna lunin, ha sin irvi a dalistjai truth an jella an sayat agus an gumpest. Nis turis mi erig, chusin asjan jella, agus chasjan go ma. Ach a dú ha sin dalistjai a sayat agus an nurshin ha mi kretsin a gumpest. Ysjai sin, so fáte a ule gana stream, tír dal a húlas a drút ní agus nid go I gema eichgin ge ceast sin na séad agus cuma fisrain sa chat an gáni ma feicgin ann. So sin sias an heach anna lunin agus ha acin rí dal rí channechuch Stow of London san sayat a larak. So aye, the Hisham. Kimmer a cushion. I talk a man here. Oh, the rating. Hamir vi a Cluiche da gemme ile. Nu nach heel meer Cluiche Valhalla. Agus shiat Sekiro. Shadows Die Twice. As Shaighead kriach is Dark Souls 3. Heel me gebiach. Sekiro iachin. Agus iach ca derf. Gem it derf a hand. Gemaart die aletje va Dark Souls. Van mis je dulke big nas aske Dark Souls ach. Varken gemaart die aletje. Nas aske gemme tenchu. Noord gemersen.
Let's go hooded here.
Oh, move. Okie dokie. Stin er sin a verishig. Suri. Eentje nog. Right. Okay. Geniaal tenje. Messalarm sa skida hasha, so kashi sin go sláidach. She is na staidigen. So I ha Sekiro vi cartogram rein me a J an paar so go go vid eichgin YouTube nerd mar sin na raket vi fallach va nahed mód agus fa sin le eglach ach rein me a chu sé hier trip de was ik mi. Miss J hek
to the West Market.
A lawman like you could set folks on edge in a square like this. Why not wear a cloak?
Hide my face? Not a chance. It does the people good to see a lawman on the hunt. You and Erke found the identity of the leech.
Some holy healer. She was called Frideswith. Had an appetite for
Frideswith.
eyes.
If this order can corrupt London's favorite saint, what hope do we have?
Any noise yet about the arrow and recruits?
I've heard whispers. Somewhere here, a man gives you a coin. And this coin grants you entry to a contest run by the Arrow's men.
Bónar a
Which man?
kavad.
I see too many here.
He's good at blending in. I haven't spotted him yet today.
I'll sniff around. You stay back.
Eivor, what was your impression of Erke?
You suspect him of something?
I don't know. Whoever killed Trigo was a close friend, and it was Erke who found the body. I know Erke so well, and I can't bear to think he'd do something so vile. But
Then don't. Wait for proof before you condemn your friend.
Juviach.
my latest thoughts have been restless. I've been a reeve for so long, fighting for God's justice. I shed my earthly attachments for his great plans.
But
But
you couldn't shed Erke and his friendship.
no. No, I'm not sure I could.
Jehannes, sin. Mi géri al gar bhfuil kinds a chuitig.
It's good to talk. Unburden your soul. Clears the mind. Lifts the weight off the chest.
Yes, indeed. Thank you for listening.
I
Siad a bheith.
one of these coins soon. Will you be around?
I'll return to St. Paul's just down the road. Godspeed, Eivor.
Eivor. Suil bhfuil ceas a bí etar Eivor agus Eivor. Mad enam. Fescar má lugi béir agus siúnach mór. Fescar má go ddíis acu. Cimar hami sé deanna go má. Ai, hami canan cí. Gaite go dían sin díach uile híte dú hami smuin sin. Or hami canan cí seachain fata I bheacum. Bhóh, sin díach dal fáte gur fáil. Oops. Ah, bhóh. Okay. nach se lein, mis me go féh go bhí seálta as is scíre seo. Ach ai mis ce go dead tena go má na seanna éhhar goú. Agus caideach mi. Yeah, ha mí bhí clúiche Sekiro agus chuideach háisiich mí Breath of the Wild a chluich, sa sin a cartar an chláán. An na cara te fer cin fécan mar Assassin's Creed an na dá. Ha trí hí strep suas agus mappichin san mappichin ein iráitinan. Sin sin? Sin dír stal churas ina thuúd in ha cholas. So sin ha mé sé a bhíbris agus a carcimid le daine ar Twitter ach sin sin war a há. So mis déna go má déna fiú sin nág. Breath of the Wild a game a seaar lem for na 2010s. Hair lema, ha neamíad mór an éach le cast tá díach éad Kakariko Village léin ach ha cartar an gomód. Is fír hallam Zelda. Majora's Mask, well sé Majora's Mask in Jenna na game chin na Charlotte Medíomh. So could you can how na hen. Ach dír tal fáiseach go sléitach a neamh sin ar san ara den is a bí bhlach go. Well, thuair sin
Is engraved with an image of the London Colosseum.
Deach sin buach mar a bheith íon dáchas ach thuair sin an bánáid agus hí sin mar a héitgáin. Tá sin na ferci mar a bhíh éhhad a déalacha gur sin tuíocha go sin. Tá chuid cin éad má leach right mar a bheith. But the chuich mis game Zelda rá Breath of the Wild riamh, well becin nach Ocarina of Time ar a 3DS ach mi hast ansa chruibh decu. Ai, a sin a dead cíal. Chár gas mi se suas a chluiche Zelda bh mi chluiche Ocarina of Time agus Majora's Mask is nu sin na game chinnar sanna a Game Boy mar Oracle of Ages agus Link's Awakening ar mar sin. So ha on sin nach Breath of the Wild a chluich. Ha go má Jeffreyte an na dáin ach ha hast Zelda ag a chrí mar go buch. Ha mí chláintin a réirchalas go bhfuil nas choíche hí i chiad game Zelda ar san na NES. Chneomíach a becanne sinna a chluich ach as an nun dá súding caran bhí dá a gaiide a bí agus rit a bí i dhéanú na Christú. So ha cartarm ha mí Jenna fiúd be an bharach chluiche had Sirlein na nálacha go hadit. So sinna dáime ha mí chluiche drás go rilí se Sekiro agus Breath of the Wild. Gemicin caretí eilete ach ha rut nach gan na cumantas. Go hadit a heh scíalach achcha. So sin na dal. Chanélas dé go fat sa bharas mí le
What's your business? Shooting or watching?
Oh.
You're looking for skilled archers, and now you've found one.
This contest is private. Invitation only.
Your men are handing out these coins like they were on fire. Is this enough?
It's enough to keep us talking. But I'll want to see how well you handle that bow before you go any further. Want a trial round to test your eye?
Yeah.
I've had enough practice. Let's begin.
Éver go má cínseach as a féin.
It's a simple contest here. Hit all targets true before the sand runs down. Here's the new competitor, a Norse from the northern wilds of Mercia. And our current reigning champion, Shaighead. All right, take your mark.
Hook set! Arrows not! Fire!
Perfect strike.
The bhaith mí.
Halfway down the sand.
And two of us do on.
Did you see that?
O bhóh. Tá do bhaith mí an seo.
Eivor
Well,
That's deadly aim you have.
sinach
This
the
I've seen for some time.
raibh dúra sin.
Well shot. You have earned your place at the arrow's sight today. He'll be eager to meet you.
Nes
Pull
tóthas
yourself to
an
the
iad
Imperial
seo.
Arch and speak with our man Hussa. Recite the phrase.
Sniper é le
Father,
mar an tain
stand
geoin.
beside us, and he'll know it's you.
Ai, bheith sin meisc, fa, go deacu. Cha ra bhí tú go bhí switch go rátíach coici annas, bhí switch nó bhil fa sin. Furistic lear, is tú sin ag bhíon jo dhéile. Ai. But yeah, so sin ha mi sé idir dhéis sna láin seo. Agus ha má chuideach chuide go fecha siú ach chuid ha sin iad ag ghearliste, ha Cluicheamaid iad ag ghearliste ar san dúis in na Gaelic, so ha sin ar le má. Channeam íon tú go bud sin sin na Duolingo na Gaelic, so yeah. Ach a chair le má bhí ar ag ghearliste.
Guide us.
And may the Mother of Wisdom give us strength. You're to stand just there, look your best when the arrow comes forth, and keep still.
Inchinach. Mar an taing, yeah, ha bhí ir bhir an mín.
We have had a hard week. Cowardly invaders stole into our governor's home and robbed him of his life. Trigger, my friend, my leader, slaughtered like a dog
Okay.
by outsiders, by the enemy. Do we expect his reeves to guide us? Some arsed halfwits.
So Ryan ac in mehasin ar san teanú.
But our governor knew. He confided in me his real plans to protect London. The drunken Danes of Northumbria polluting the north, and Fred and his men of Wessex rallying to the south. Of all this, Trigger said, Havgos, what we need now are strong borders and stronger soldiers. Today,
Scuta.
I honor that wish. I present to you, good people of London, our new elite archery force. These elite archers will be stationed with our springards, ready to attack invaders by land or by water. And further, until these storms of accusation...
Oh, nach buie goed, Avgos. Nach buie goed.
of our fair city. Not that I could replace him. For Trigger was a pillar of steel.
Okay, cymryd mi dal o farag yn i'r ha sio gwn
Me be your arrow.
esachwyd i'r coeg nid a ha sio yn gwrdd jarym.
Some will be naysayers, those who wish to discredit me, and those who wish to keep London weak. Listen not to them, friends. I serve only London. I serve you. London is a place of prosperity. Prosperity we must export to all of Britain's kingdoms. No more false kings with their lies. Heed the ancient ways. The true
Fi gael man yn rod, lad. Yn isht.
London. Rule Britain. Rule the world. Into order and truth.
Lwg i fer i gadw. Na mi'n dachos go fi character Charlemagne ydi yn taiad. Yeah. Hishin. Mae ha loading sy'n acyn. Right. Wel, sy'n dal o glwysyd? Sy'n dal o harisht? Mi farach i marc gyda dreach feach gahan tirach y fi gafwyrst choffol y sio. Agus roi ar falf. Ach, cwtioch. Fyg sy'n car efig. Ac oedd dal o glwysyd teacher. Anyhow, right, okay. Hello, Carriage. Sin testa. Níos bhfuil saiad rúta bheith saiad.
Arrows knocked! It's a hard thing to raise the rats of a city into warriors. Hook set!
You raised no one. You only trapped them in their cowering fear.
Draw strings! First wave fire! No, I gave these men order. I gave them purpose.
Good
I
though.
showed them their common enemy. Anchor strings! Second wave fire!
Hello, Crystal Catalyst. Faljost.
I was arrow for their rage. Without a foe to consume, we devour ourselves.
He speaks true. A man without an enemy defeats himself.
Issues Odin.
Justify all you want. You're just a king killer and a coward.
Mighty High Horse, you'd do the same if you were me.
Apper ski an géirí émas bhí an. Nach sinna ha fiad. In an ile. Nicht ha gomfeste í. Wel, sa chi dal nach féimi sin dé. Van blwydd o seo. Yn gwrdrain. Rai.